So yesterday we got an email from Air India that my current flight AI 184 is already delayed by 3 hours. So now instead of 8:30 p.m. the flight is going to depart at 11:40 p.m. Accordingly, my connection to Pune, which was after 2 hours of layover, has now changed to 8.5 hours of. So the good part is we at least found a flight with Air India from international terminal. Otherwise, 6 p.m. Pretty excited to start the journey. My friend is gonna come and pick me up, and my family. So my friend just reached here with his big car, and he was able to fit all 5 big luggages. Let's start our journey. So here are the counters for business class, and these are the counters for the regular economy. Behind me there are Air India Mumbai counters. Not that bad, it's still okay. So since we had long layover at Delhi, so the airline staff is actually requesting if they can get us into the Mumbai flight, which is a non-stop to Mumbai, and it's gonna be a new experience. Things are changing, guys, and I'm pretty excited to go in the Mumbai flight. So we just got the new flight. It's a premium economy seats that we are getting with the direct flight to Mumbai. So I thank Air India, and now we're gonna go from San Francisco to Mumbai in a newer plane. There was a lot of hassle, and we really have to run fast to catch our flight because of the ticket transformation and flight changes. We got hardly 30 minutes to cover all this. We're just rushing towards the gate 4 where our flight is. So we are going towards the gate 4, and you see how crowded the gate is because the flight is pretty crowded and packed up. I hope it's a good one. Here you go, Mumbai flight 180. Look at this flight, so beautiful. The business class, you can see the interior of the business class. It's like a economy. This is a premium economy, and look at such a beautiful seats and flight. All these are the premium economy seats, like 4, and we just got these seats as a upgrade. We are so happy with Air India, and just because they gave us layover of 8 hours at Delhi, they just rescheduled our ticket to flight to Mumbai, and you can see the aircraft. It's brand new. How comfortable sitting is in the premium class. Guys, look how the dining tray is. See the facilities. Thank you. Pouch, guys, this is so amazing. Socks, luggage, and face, So I heard that flight was leased by Air India. I was just served the dinner menu in the premium economy. So they have given me the sleepers and a whiskey with the soda. Guys, I don't promote the alcohol, but it's just a part of the menu and I wanted to enjoy, so let's enjoy the drinks. Sure. Yeah, you see they are serving me with the dinner. This is chicken badami with potatoes and jeera rice, and this is the paratha. This is sweet. This is yogurt, pickle, water, and the bread. And to show, this has been my experience throughout that the desserts in India are really good, and I always enjoy sevaiya kheer. And trust me, guys, this is regular economy class. The only drawback of premium economy is the handrest. They are stationary, they don't move, so you can't really pull them up. As regular economy, the handrest moves, and then you can use that seat as a complete seat if you are sitting on 3 seats together. So that's going to be a problem in premium economy, especially traveling with the kids. The time for the breakfast, and we had some good options in the breakfast: scrambled egg, omelette, and some veggie options. Let me show you the menu. So this is scrambled egg with chicken. Just 4 hours to go from here, and I'm still pretty fresh. Toilets are pretty clean. These are the entertainment screens for kids. You see the quality of the screens, it's really good. We'll land in Mumbai in 2.5 hours. Just got some snacks, refreshments. We are about to land shortly in next 10-15 minutes. Landed in Mumbai just now. We'll go to collect our baggage. What a nice flight, Air India. I really want to thank for this awesome journey from premium economy, and considering us from flight, our original flight from San Francisco to Delhi to San Francisco to Mumbai. We really enjoyed your flight, and it was a really pleasant journey. I've taken the card to take us to baggage. Seems like they have a separate line for people with tiled-in arm, and there is hardly any crowd out here. But if you see on the other counters, there is a long wait line. Welcome to Mumbai. Amchi Mumbai. We'll drive to Pune. On the way to Pune now, and this actually is by road, and I think we took the best decision rather than waiting on Delhi airport for 8.5 hours. We decided to took the flight to Mumbai and then drive from there to